How to free up space on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you free up space on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. At first, you'll have to just empty your recycle bin from your desktop. For that, right click on your recycle bin. After you do a right click, you'll have to click on empty recycle bin over here. Or you can also delete some files from your file manager from the download section. Open the this PC. From the section under the section download, you can manually delete the unwanted downloaded file from your PC, and on the another section you'll have to just uninstall the unwanted application from your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon at of your taskbar. From your click on all at the top right. Alright, from here you can manually find unwanted applications that are accessing some location or space on your PC. Simply find out any application and do a right click, and from here as usual you can go with the option uninstall. On the fourth one you can go with the option disk cleanup. For that, again come on the taskbar in the source field, search for disk cleanup. After you open disk cleanup, from here choose your drive like C drive or D drive. After you select drive, click on OK, and from here it will show some files to delete from your disk cleanup setting, as you have to select temporary internal files, your thumbnails, temporary files, or recycle bin. After you select it, click on OK. At last, you can also transfer the higher or larger files to your drive. For that, you'll have to open Google Drive on your PC or laptop. After you open Drive, from there you'll have to just upload that higher or larger files on your Google Drive, and from that way you can also clean up your space on PC. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.